What's up, people? Today we're gonna try to put that bad boy in. The SS Sedan steering wheel. So, from what I've been told, 2 holes right here. 2 holes, you pick it in the back. To make that move. Right? That's how you make it move. So I got the steering wheel already cocked up that way. I'll try. I'll be back. Okay, disconnected the battery because I have it now out. It was actually pretty easy. The guy on YouTube made it seem like this was hard. So now I gotta disconnect these 2, undo this T50 from what I've been told, and then we're good to go. Let's see. Alright, I had no assistance. Well, I did. I just didn't feel like bothering nobody. And show the video. You can do it by yourself, but I had to get the end of my jack pole. I was pushing that down while I did this, and it worked. It works. Got lucky. With the steering wheel off next. Plug the battery back in. Okay, that's what you're supposed to do when you with the airbags, so that shit will blow in your face. Alright, so yep, it's all pretty much done. Plug the plugs back in. Make sure that wire's tucked away. Just tap it in there. Damn it. Got it. Haha. Yes. Alright. God, it looks so much better. Holy. Oh, I gotta put that back inside. Laundry ball. Hope it's not stand in front of my face, in front of the airbag in case it explodes. Hopefully I don't lose my hearing if it does. Okay. So I guess we're all good. Oh yeah. Rating it is. Let's turn the volume down for these copyright strikes. Oh no, I know Black Sack. I can play this. I can play these songs. Y'all can't. That shit crazy. Yep, that works. He said commando. Goodbye. Okay, say goodbye. Yeah. I gotta figure this out, the stability track problem. That'll be next on the list. But anyway, let me turn off the AC. I guess this only works when. Well, I don't have that. Oh, it does work. Okay, cool. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Well, yep, I guess we're good. SS steering wheel complete, I guess. Feet. Wait, look at that. Look at that! It's starting to look less and less like a PPV. More civilian. But anyways, y'all, have a good... Today's Easter. But yeah, have a good day. Easter if it's today or whatever. Love y'all. Peace.